good shot right here where I'm standing. Otherwise, you got a bunch of brush. I don't know what kind of birds those are. Just try to go full out as far as the focus, and when we get home I'll try to crop it in. That might have been a sandhill crane that was still up here. Oh, that even had bigger wings than the sandhill crane. There's one over there, and then the rest over here. Get a good enough view on it. I crop them, I might be able to find out what kind of bird they are. Probably only a few inches of water in it. Looks like a turkey bolster up there. Could be a hawk though. Oh, there's two of them. Try to get closer, but they would probably fly away. I guess I could be looking at them. Yeah. Man, too bad we scared away that huge bird, whatever that was. A bit different than what we noticed. They got like a brown head, brownish orange head, white, dark gray feathers. They're pretty good. I'm unable to take a picture in there to do it helpful. Also, I don't have a last name for that female involved. It's just not in much water. We're probably gonna have to keep 2 dogs home down. Only one will be able to take us lucky. The other 2 dogs seem to have problems right out of the bat, especially when it gets warmer. Hell, 75 degrees though, it's nice. What's the matter, Annie? spot to film also right here, John. See what was undercutting the bank over here a lot. Also had some more debris that came down the river.
Okay, 14, are you at it? I'm 13. Yeah, confirm. I'm at 13, post for Maine.
Muddy. Oh no. Okay, be careful. Drop off.
You were all static. Could you go one more time?
Central, he's advising they are